I wanted to do a little update about the RV because I feel like I've kind of thrown it out there. You saw that one video of me crying in the RV. Other than that, I haven't really told you anything that's going on, so I thought this would be a good chance to tell you while I look dressed up like this. Basically, me and Stefan are leaving Whistler, which you guys probably already know, but you don't know all the details. Our original plan was like we were going to buy an RV and like live in it for a few months or for the summer. That was like our plan a while ago. And then we changed our mind and decided we were going to get a job in Alberta for summer. And it's actually been the best idea we've ever had, because if we were leaving Whistler right now and not having work, like I would be in big trouble because I'm so broke. Buying the RV was like obviously a huge cost, and yeah, I've got no money. And we start our new job in, there's no L in it, it's Kananaskis. Also, do you know that the G7 summit is like leaders from all over the world?
Yeah.
Like, I'm scared. So we started a new job June 6th, and we're hoping to move into a house because we got staff housing, which is sick. I'll show you guys what it's like when I get there. Yeah, basically we were looking for an RV for months. Stefan's probably the better person to talk to about the RV. I don't really know what's going on. And we found one that we liked, which was $11,000 plus tax plus insurance. It's a lot of money. We've just been spending even more money, like doing little upgrades to it. Stefan's been, what have you been doing, Stefan? Solar panel, battery stuff, USB ports, lights, sealing the edges.
Plumbing.
What have you been doing to the plumbing? Put a new water pump. I was going to say, do we have a water filter for drinking the water?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because I was thinking about it today. I watched a video of someone that said they were like getting sick, and then they realised it was their water. So he's been working on the van a lot. Only thing is we're going to have to pack up every single thing we own and put it into the RV on the way there. So it's going to be a bit crowded, but it's going to be good. I just wanted to formally introduce you to the RV life. We're officially saying goodbye to Whistler. Maybe I'll put a little Whistler montage. That might be fun.
You are the director, the creator, and the writer of your story. You literally could do whatever you want. And it's just for you to sit down and navigate where you want to go. And you will get there.
Yeah, we're on to our next adventure. The plan is to stay in Kananaskis for summer, and then hopefully stay in Alberta for winter. We don't have any plans yet, so if you have any suggestions on where we should go, what we should do, please let me know, because I'm open to all ideas. And yeah, it's going to be fun doing something different and learning new things, and it's going to be scary, but I'm feeling really confident, and yeah, it's going to be really fun. So yeah, I might also put some little clips of what I've got of the RV so far, because it's just been like on and off. I've just been, yeah, all over the place because life's been very busy with the finishing work and whatnot. This is my official goodbye Whistler Hello RV life video for you guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, what? Guys, we did a thing. Yeah, we did a thing. Are you kidding me right now? We gotta be okay. On my face, I just went to the dentist, but this is officially our ride. Anywhere we go now.
What's that?
Talking to the camera. Where are you? Say hi.
Oh, it just bit so perfectly. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Could you go?
It's numbing. Like it's all up there. Beavers. What's banging around? I gotta get used to that. It's that little mug.
And still, dude, you pay a lot of money for this shit.
We did.
No,
Let's wait for them to leave.
let me.